I'm sure you've heard people say that success leaves clues. What that means is that you can actually model or copy pretty much anything. So if you are looking at starting a discipline, or you are already doing an activity or a sport, something that you like to do and you want to get better at it, what you can do, one of the things that you can do that would be important for your progress would be to watch those people that are doing that thing, that same thing at a high level that you like. You know, like when I started skiing, I would watch videos of people skiing in the park, and the styles that I would like, I would try to emulate. So I would notice what they were doing with their body, what their angles were doing, where they kept their weight, how they landed, where they were spotting their with their head. Like, all those things are so important. They might seem like minor details, but really, as they say, the devil is in the details. It's the details that actually make you progress better, because if you can pay attention to those things really close, those clues that success leaves, that person is doing that excellent job at the thing that you want to do, then you'll be able to pick up and ideally copy and emulate enough until you can actually do it for yourself. You kind of fake it till you make it. You look at the person, you do the same body position, you go, I wonder why they're doing that. On a mountain bike, same thing. You can be watching those great mountain biking videos and you see, well, why, when they're climbing, why is their weight kind of, forward this way? Why are they pushing on their pedals this way? All those things will give you the clues as to why those people are so good at what they do. So whatever your discipline is, just think about it. It's called a discipline for a reason. And the most important discipline that you can have about it is to actually watch your idols that are doing that thing that you want to do at a high level, and pay close attention to the small details that can make a big difference.
Hey, if you found value in this video, please hit the like button so more people can find it, and consider subscribing to the channel and clicking the bell for more life-enhancing content. Oh, and by the way, there's no rush. Hang around, watch some other videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.